Chapter 7. Eating Together. In most families, all the members take dinner together. On the dining table, they share their experience of the day with each other. It creates a bond of oneness among all the members. Eating together brings us closer to each other. Sometimes, many people eat together on family functions like birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, etc. On many festivals, people eat together. At schools, students eat together in recess. Eating together creates a sense of unity and togetherness. Family functions. Besides family dinners, there are other special occasions when all members of our family, extended family, friends and neighbors eat together. Birthday parties, festivals, picnics, marriage ceremonies are some such family functions. The halwais or the caterers prepare food in bulk for these functions. These functions and ceremonies are held in well-decorated banquet halls, lawns and farmhouses, and sometimes even at our homes. Community eating. When a large number of people eat together, it is called community eating. All of them are not related to us. They are from different families and of different religions. It gives a feeling of oneness. Let's see some examples. Langar. It is a common kitchen where food is prepared on a large scale. Langars are free meals organized in almost all big gurudwaras. At the langar, people irrespective of caste and status eat together. People are made to sit on mats. Prasada or langar is served. The food served is purely vegetarian. There is no discrimination between rich and poor. Everyone is treated equally and served the same food. There are many people involved in organizing a langar. There are people who prepare food, others who serve the food once it is prepared, and another group who ensure that the place is cleaned after the food is served. The langar was started by Guru Amar Das. It combines three noble principles: charity, community service, and social equality. Bhandara. Similar to a langar, the Hindus also organize community meals which are called bhandaras. These are mostly organized on some religious occasions. Their food is served to all for free. This food is also purely vegetarian and is served on disposable plates made of dried and pressed leaves. Eating together at school. We have a lot of fun during lunch break in our school. We all share our meals every day during lunch time. There is so much variety in food. Sharing our meals brings us closer to our friends. In boarding schools. Some schools have a facility for children to study and live there. These schools provide children with fooding and lodging. Such schools are called boarding schools. Here, food is cooked in a common kitchen and is served in a common dining hall to the students. Midday meal. The Indian government has started the midday meal scheme where food is served to all students. These meals were started to improve the health of students because many of the students cannot afford to bring healthy food to school. This was also an initiative to increase attendance in schools. In the midday meals, rice, dal, idlis, chapatis, sambar, etc. are served. When the bell rings for the midday meal, all the children come out of their classes and wash their hands properly. They stand in a queue with their plates to take the midday meal. They all sit down in a row with their friends. They have a variety of food served on different days. Sometimes they have aloo puri, rice sambar, dal rice, idlis, rice with vegetables and gravy. On important days like Independence Day or Diwali, a special dish is served. The main advantages of a midday meal are: it encourages children from the weaker section of society to come to school. It provides employment to many people. It teaches basic eating habits and manners to children. It raises a sense of equality among children. It provides underprivileged children with a healthy meal and gives them the nutrition required for a healthy life. Owing to implementation of this scheme, poor families have started sending their children to school, thinking that at least once in a day their children would get proper meals.